Previously on Adrian's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough, I hope I'm not being too low again. So previously we went to, why isn't it opening? It is now, good. Previously we went to Most Deep, the island of Most Deep. We fought the gym leaders, I forgot the name, but they were twins and they have to, it's a double gym leader kind of thingy. And then we beat them on the first try. That's not a first, but like it's pretty rare with me. And after that, sorry, we went to their space. What the fuck is its name? Most Deep Space Center, the closest place to space, because the Team Magma did try and steal their rockets. Wow, a team stealing rockets, literally. After that, we teamed up with Steven, who I might or might not have asked to suck his dick. You can't deny or confirm that. So that was that. Hi ads, I was just in passive feed log a little while ago. I saw a giant tree Pokemon flying high in the sky. I've never seen anything like it. I wonder what it was. Is this maybe a major discovery? Click. A major, like a tree Pokemon, what? So now I gotta teach the move Dive that Steven gave us to one of my Pokemon, so we can maybe try and follow Archie, who's went on to try and wake up another legendary Pokemon. Who's gonna learn Dive? Groudon. What moves do you have, Groudon? I don't think you're gonna learn that, cause Swords Dance, Crab Hammer, Serve, Protect. I'd rather have Swords Dance than Protect. Cowards use them. And with my big energy we don't need such things. So where is it though? Forgot where we have to go. Let's fly to Lilycove. Actually, shouldn't we have tried to swim towards the next island we're gonna have to discover? This is Sootopolis. Let's try and find it. The water is dyed deep blue. Would you like to surf? Of course I would like to. Shouldn't I should have bought a lot of repel. Okay. The sea is deep here. Would you like to dive? Let's dive. The music is so good. So peaceful in here too. Okay, let's keep going down. Found a hot scale. I think you can use these to... I don't remember what you can do with this. I'm not gonna even try to pretend I remember everything. You all know I've got a terrible memory. Oh, there's a hole here. Maybe I should slip my dick. There's a submarine. It's painted. This is a submarine Team Aqua stole in Slateport. I recognize it. As I'm gonna show. Let's... Okay, I shouldn't have mashed. Okay. Let's face here. Light is filtering down from above. Would you like to use dive? Yes. Oh, undive-ish. Okay. Oh shit. I hope I've got... Yeah, I should have my here now. Yeah. HM Slave. So our aim for today will be to counter Team Aqua's plans. Which Pokemon is up first? Groudon. No. Cars should be able to do the trick. And wait, do you still have... I can't even take... I can't even take that What is that thing? Experience share. Let me use. Wait, it's already in the bag. That's fine. We don't need a kid around. Go on home already. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I'm reading a message from Jeremy because we are exchanging TikToks. I'm not making TikToks. Level 36 Puccino. Why would you keep it as a Puccino until level fucking 36? I want to go home. I'll just go. Go for here first. That submarine, it's tiny inside. I'm so all over. My Niga 40 was gonna get into an hotel. Team Aqua Grunt who liked the battle. Team Aqua Grunt sent out Carvana. Go Chaos. By the way, today I got back to, well, it's not today, but like since 2 days, I've went back to Overwatch, and I didn't forget how much I love this game. It is one of the best games ever made, and it's so polished. It's, you know, the thing with Overwatch is it's got personality. You can't say that about a lot of video games. It does have personality, and it's fantastic. I just love it. It's a big boulder, but a Pokemon should be able to push it, move it around, whatever. Another thing, Overwatch, if I want to play it, I can't be sat in my bed. Well, not sat. I can't lay down in my bed. I have to actually be sat on the gaming chair. And no, I'm not gonna go over there. Da 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 da. Let's run. Okay, it's a big boulder, but the Pokemon may be able to push it aside. Would you like to use Strength? Of course, I will always like to use Strength. Made it possible to move a boulder. Yes, and yes, should be fine. What's over there though? What's over there though? Water. Ah, shit. Okay. Okay, nice. Diavolo used Surf. Where the fuck do I go reverse? Yeah. Ooh. Ta 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 dun 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 dun. Okay. Again. Got away safely. Great. Good. 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 Oh, puzzle. Oh, just fight. I'm gonna choose violence. How did you manage to get here without a submarine? What an impressive child. But it won't do to have you meddling about here. And I do want payback for what happened at the Weather Institute. I'm going to give you a little taste of pain. Resign yourself to it. Hedge, hedge, Monica, hey, put in Monica. Hey, Monica, hey, put in. But meddlers like you use the power of Pokemon to mess with us even at a place like this. Life just doesn't work the way we need it to. Life doesn't work that way for anyone. Hedge, hedge. Hido. Aqua Admin Shelly and Team Aqua Grunt would like to battle. Oh, already the Aqua Admin. I just hate these caves, so if we can Just be done with it as soon as possible, Team Aqua. Because you're all lame. Let it fly on my keyboard. Sorry. Muddy water, but I think muddy water hits everyone. Surf. Muddy water. Should not have used muddy water. For Sharpedos. Sharpedo. None work. None of these work. But Overwatch is so good. I love getting back to that. To be honest, I started again I think yesterday or the day before, and I was terrible. And then, yeah, slowly you pick up. So that was great. Like the 2 previous days I had mostly losses, and now I barely die. I'm not carrying just yet like I used to. Pro gamer talking. Cause use Leaf Blade. Hedge, Monica, Monica. Let me see if I can. One dead. One to go. Why aren't you dead? Swagger. I don't want it. It is a TikTok. Never use the muddy water. So yeah, today I just hope we can come. We should be able to complete this. We just need to. I guess we'll fight Archie. I wish I could fight Daddy Archie. Say no homo right now. No way I'm gonna say no homo. We're in 2020, bitch. Pro homo. It's not very effective, because Golbat is also a poison type, and poison types are not very much affected by this. But see, it confused me like these tricks with dicks. I definitely have the best jokes. Both of them. And that wing attack is gonna take like 50% of my health. Yes, of course it was gonna do that. Again. Thank you, Carl. Stack is no, beef is never a mistake. Oh my god. You're fucking kidding me. Blaze kick. Yes, like I said, I'm always gonna mention. I'm always gonna say it aloud. And I'm gonna have to use a revive. Ouch! Gua! That's it. Gua. Fantastic. Eloquent. Do I have... No, not a max revive. Simple revive should... No! Stop mashing A, Adrien. Ooh, puzzle. Let's see if I remember it. I can try and pretend I'm saying it for the first time, but I've done that like 10 times already. I have a bike. Big brain. Yeah, we're already here. Somebody sending me a TikTok. TikTok was a mistake. That shit should not exist. That advice adds there's a time and place for everything. So I can't use a bike here. There's so much walking. Shit, I'd rather use a potion in case he starts with a Might Hiena, and that's gonna be a problem. Have a potion? No. They don't have any potions. What? Really? Well, fuck it. What is this grey matter? Holy right there! Archie, you had a submarine. How did I get here faster than you? So it was you after all. Behold, see how beautiful it is? The sleeping form of the ancient Pokemon Kyogre. I have waited so long for this day to come. It surprises me how you've managed to chase me here, but that's all over now. For the realization of my dream, you must disappear now. Archie, I thought we had something going on. Like a power dynamic. Aqua Leader, Archie would like to battle. Look at him. Such a daddy material. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch you because you're underleveled and that's not a good typing fight. So Dio should do the trick. Series of Blaze Kick on that bitch. Take down. Blaze Kick. So close no matter how far. Speed fell. Shit. I should have used quick attack. Well, anyway, she died from that. Blaze Kick. And it did faint, not die, from my Blaze Kick. Aqua Leader, so now Crobat. Yeah, we'll power through this because Crobat is also very powerful. Yeah, Kata. I don't like that sound. I'm not talking about only the motorcycle right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god, of course it would. Shit, should have gone with a Blaze Kick, man. Please. Not enough. I'm gonna have to restore some. But when I'm gonna use a Hyper Potion, he's gonna still attack and still gonna take most of my life, isn't he? Nah, let's try. The OHP was restored. Hopefully his last Pokemon is a water type. No! Okay, fine then. It's alright. I'm gonna take a risk here and use Dynamic Punch instead of shit. Woo! And it didn't. How should I just use that? Goddamn. I'm an idiot. Dio's gonna die because of me. Sorry, Dio. I didn't mean for it to end like this. Go for it, cows. Quick attack should do, right? Don't want to risk it in case you outspeed me. Could you send Corvana as those Pokemon so I can just, you know, sucky, Sharpedo, yeah. That's the one I wanted. Just look at the design for this thing. It's super effective. Got me some health back. I'll take it. That was a lot. We're gonna use Slash again. The car steward. Leaf blade. Player defeated Aqua leader Ochi Daddy. What? I lost to a mere child like you. Finally gave out some good money. Foo foo foo, I commend you. I must recognize that you're truly gifted, but I have this in my possession. With this red orb I can make Kyogre. The red orb suddenly began shining by itself. No, I think that's the... Well, that's not him saying that. It's just something happening. Oh my god, Kyogre is awake. What? I didn't do anything. What is the red orb? Where did Kyogre go? It's a message from our members outside. Yes, what is it? It's raining. Good, that should have happened. That is why we awakened Kyogre. To realize Team Aqua's vision of expanding the sea. What? It's raining far harder than we envisioned? You're in danger? That can't be. That's just not possible. Hold your position and monitor the situation. There's something wrong. The red orb is supposed to awaken and control Kyogre. I can't speak English. But why? Why did Kyogre disappear? Why? What have you wrought? You finally awoken Kyogre. What will happen to the world if this downpour continues for all eternity? The world's landmass will drown in the deepening sea. Don't get all high and mighty with me. Wasn't it you, Team Magma, that infuriated Groudon? So long as I have this red orb, I should be able to control Kyogre. I should be able to control it. We don't have a time to argue about it here. Get outside and see for yourself. See if what you've wrought is the world that we desired. Ads, come on, you have to get out of here too. Yes, thank you. I don't have to use an escape rope. What happened? What is this wretched scene? Did I make a horrible mistake? I only wanted... Maxie, do you understand now, Archie? Do you finally see how disastrous your dream turned out to be? We have to hurry, we have to do something before the situation goes completely out of control. Ads, don't say anything. I know what I have no right to be uncritical of Archie, but the way things are now, I doubt that we humans will be capable of doing anything about it. I'm gonna read your messages, alright? Just let me finish with that. It's a big turning point of the story, but neither can we stand by and just watch helplessly. The responsibility for putting an end to this falls to Archie and me. Archie and I. This defies belief. Those super ancient Pokemon. The power is unbelievable. They upset the balance of nature. Okay, so where should I go? What is happening? This is terrible. After the scorching heat wave ended, this deluge began. If this doesn't stop, all of Hoenn, no, the whole world will drown. This huge rain cloud is spreading from above Sootopolis. What in the world is taking place there? There's no point arguing here. Sootopolis might provide answers. I don't know what you intend to do, but don't do anything reckless. Okay? I'm going to Sootopolis. I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna save the world. Steven. Love of my life. So hi. So when are you making a TikTok? Never! Baldo June 2.0. Not today, sis. Not today. Never getting a TikTok. So worst thing on earth. Plus I already do like TikTok level kind of humor, don't I? But Carol Baskin killed her husband. Oh shit, I forgot we can fight people here. Evergrande City is still a long ways away. Alright. Thanks for the heads up. Triad Lady Zaya would like to battle. Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Skirt! Let's get it. Such a terrible sense of humor, don't I? Wow, absorb was enough. See dancing to Renegade. Renegade, Renegade! I love the memes because I never listened to that Renegade thing. I don't know what it is. I just watch Cody and Noel. Cody Co and Noel Miller when they're making fun of people, so I kinda know the meme through them. Renegade. I love it. I know I'm not good now, but I think I can win eventually. Please register me in your Pokénav. Okay. Where are we, though, right now? Okay, Sootopolis is over there. Why are you highlight? Well, it doesn't matter, right? I think you're highlighted red when it's a major city and blue when it's like, yeah, not at all a major city. Although that's default here. Should be blue. Shouldn't it? What's our next step? I'd like to try and go to passive feed log. Oh what? Hello, this is Christine. A little earlier. Christine, the world is dying. I was in the battle, I lost though, I need to raise my Pokemon more. See you around. That's all you got to tell me. The world is literally collapsing right now. Fucking bitch. Sydney, I don't feel like that's what they're saying. I really don't think like that's what they're saying when they're saying renegade. But that's just me. I could be wrong. TikTok was a mistake. Da, 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 da. So if I wanted to go to Suitopolis, I guess it's up there. No, not down. It's not in the land down under. I'm not gonna fight a tentacle. Yeah, that's on you. It is very much is on me. That's how I like it. On top. Wait. That's not where I come from. What is this? What about? Well, that is where I came from. This should go on the other side, right? What's over there? Can't be over there because... Okay, today we have to actually find something by our own means. That's gonna be a different stream. Because I'm not gonna go and look it up on Google or YouTube, so... I'll just try and find Pseudopolis. Pokemon Emerald is the best Pokemon game ever made. Proof. Exhibit number 12596. I don't know. Just trying to find a fake number. How long am I addicted to that? I would just spend half of my day on the app. No biggie. Yeah, half of your days. What's what? 12 hours? That's nothing. Crowd don't use dive. How do I get to Pseudopolis? Where am I right now? Wait, lost Pokeball that I can't take because my bag is full. What can I use at the moment so I can free up some space? Because I don't need... Oh, I remember. I know what I have to do. Real quick, I'm gonna waste time. I don't think we're gonna accomplish much today because I'm pretty much fucking up, ain't I? Let's go, Taylor. Wow, it's sunny everywhere. Let's heal up first, because Dio pulls down because I'm a dumbass who wouldn't want to use Blaze Kick but wanted to try Quick Attack. No, Dynamic Punch. That's what I tried to do. Dynamic Punch. Thank you for waiting. Restore your Pokemon to full health. Yes, thank you, lady. Bye-bye. Now, I don't think we got a normal shop here. Yeah, we don't. We only have this main store. So let's try and see if we can sell. Welcome to Lily Cove Department Store. Okay, you're just... This is the Pokemon Lottery Corner. All shoppers are the Pokemon get to draw Pokemon Lottery ticket. The Lottery ticket number matches the ID number. You receive a balance gift. Would you like to draw a Pokemon? Why not? Let's pick a Lottery ticket. Okay, does it take that long? Lottery ticket number is 1209. I need to run a check on this number to see if it matches any of your Pokemon ID number. I don't have a lot of Pokemon, so I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm talking in hyper speed. I'm sorry, none of the numbers match. Okay, bye-bye. Let me just go real quick and sell some shit. Drugs, mostly. Welcome, how may I... No, I want to sell... I want to sell... nuggets. All of them. That's good money. And then I would like to sell Prevent Evolution. Yeah, but why sell it though? Isn't there anything else that we can sell that is not like fundamental? Stardust? Don't get that much money, but can do. Please come again. Oof, the weather is... It's raining cats and dogs all over Hoenn. But it's also super sunny, so... Oh yeah, that's right. The sunlight is strong. Let's run. Nigga run, Dio. This little patch is a bit... looks deep. Oh my god, that's a whole new world. Not really, because there's not much I can do here. I guess it's just to catch Pokemon, yeah. There's a super rare Pokemon named Relicanth that you can catch here that you actually need. You just don't catch it. You need it if you wanna... what is it? If you wanna look for the 3 Regis. Regice, Registeel, and Regirock. Let's fight! My big sister is tough at Pokemon. Don't cry when you lose. Oh, of course, of course. Little buddy. Oh, redheads. It's gonna be fun killing. No. I don't have souls anyway. Just got oddly racist. Leave Blade on Steel Corvana, I guess, and Blaze Kick, no Dynamic Punch on Chinchu. It's super effective. Yeah, we get it. Dynamic Punch, please die. And you did. Thank you very much for your gift of life that I took. Yeah, I thought you were gonna beat me, kid. Will you battle us again, but take it easy next time, little bitch. Should I board repels? Thinking about it now. It's fine. I'll just run from everything, like I do with every responsibility I've ever had in my life. It is raining, raining. Oh baby, it's raining, raining. The next video, I don't really know. I wanted to do something about men being useless. If you just float in the sea like this Pokemon come around to play. Really, Juve? Don't you get attacked? Remember, Sharpedo is a shark Pokemon. Use your brain. Oh shit. Oh no, it's good. I want to do a meme review, but like, I'm still having all the stuff coming through my head. I wanna make music too. Did I make a song this year? I think I did. No, I didn't. I did covers in 2020. It's only on a whim, but maybe I'll get you to register me in your Pokémon. Yeah, cause you lost too, little bish. The sea is deep here. Would you like to dive? Let's take a look at what's down under. Nothing. Literally nothing. This is queer. Here then. Okay. Promising. I have zero clue where Suitopolis' entrance is. I can assure you I forgot. It's been so long. Well, Tentacool appeared. Go cast. It is raining, raining. But we did get away safely. And I'm starting to get tired. Because I don't really know what we're doing today. I have to find that entrance to Pseudopolis, but it's not that easy to find. You have to look for every patch of water you can dive in and hope for the best. Oh, Fufu, it's me, Steve. Can you guess what I'm saying? A pair of Lombre in a battle. Maybe I'll try catching the winner. Oh, Fufu, I'm kind of busy now. I have to go. Fucking Steve, I'm trying to save the world over here. And you're holding like a cockfight over there. Pretty sure it just leads me to some Pokeball I can... an item, not a Pokeball. Yeah. Has found one Grinchard. Ooh, that's the thing that dude wanted. Light is filtering down from above against her face, and sea is deep here. It's weird that underwater you have gross patches that you can fight Pokemon in. They can swim. They don't have to stick to that, do they? Still best generation. We keep going south, or we fight to death? Oh, my favorite Pokemon, Tentacool again. Diversity. Wailmer, the Yumama Pokemon. Super effective. Thanks. Can we move forward now? Because you're wasting my time. I still have to find that thing, and I'm only left with 20 minutes. Am I clock here? Okay, good. Didn't register me, so that's an improvement. I said an improvement. How did you turn on Google? Farm with Big Pearl.
Google has this result.
We're just diving to pick up stuff. Hopefully I'm getting closer to it, thinking you're riding a Pokemon instead of swimming yourself. I am envious. You know you can do that too. Oh no, you can't. I'm not going to lose to some surfer trainer. That's racist. She spoke to me as if like, you people. Oh, rude. Carvanha and Staryu. I should get rid of the Staryu first, because Carvanha doesn't have much that will work on. But actually, yeah, I can make do. Calcius Leaf Blade. Super effective. You should die. You should die from this. Oh, I can't. I've only got sweat in my eyes. I'm not crying. Sure, pussy. I never double battle. I just hope we're getting closer. If seawater gets up your nose, doesn't it feel terrible? It does, but why are you staying in the sea? I couldn't even swim last year, but now I'm a decent swimmer. I think I'm capable of anything now. But I don't know why you stick there. You're pretty far from land. I don't know how these people stay alive. Okay, the same matchup. So the same tactics. Hopefully the dynamic punch connects, because with an accuracy of 50, um, that's very much a gamble. So Staryu fainted. Staryu. And you see, as I said, Nostradamus. I could have predicted Corona. Too far. Too far. Quick attack that bitch. Jesus! Well, just a quick attack. Not even an extreme speed. Ack. Why you glub? Shish, getting greedy didn't do a thing for me. See, that'll teach you for being racist. That's how I deal with racist people. What appeared? Go Chaos. It is raining, raining. And we got away safely. There's a big patch of water here. Hopefully it leads somewhere when I can. Does it? I think so. But the bag is full, blah blah blah. Let's use that zinc we picked up. Protein, yeah. Ooh, attack. Who could use that? Chaos, I guess. Because you're the weakest, you're the fastest, but weakest at the same time. It's not here then. Hey Chinchu! Yeah, but I'm sorry Chinchu, if we're not catching you, it means death. No, I'm kidding. We're just gonna run. Hopefully we're close. Found another big pearl. I think we can sell these. No, 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 no. Ta, 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 ta. Clam pearl. The vagina Pokemon. I'm just a horrible, horrible human being, ain't I? And I said, ain't I, not hentai. Please, come on. Yes, I think that's it. It's gotta be it. Crawdont, use dive. Okay, cutscene. Ooh. Groudon and Kyogre in a duel to the death. I didn't say okay Google. They're ramming into each other. Like a gay couple. There's enough space for me to pass by. Why aren't you letting me? Why? Is it dangerous or something? Let's go to the Pokemon Center first. Restore everyone. Thank you for waiting. I hope to see you again. The water is dyed deep blue. Let's surf. Here you are, you dumbasses. Kyogre, what's wrong? Look over here, it's the red orb. Calm down, Kyogre. It's no good, it's not responding at all. Groudon, please stop what you're doing. I know the extent of your power now. If you keep going all ho and not just Pseudopolis will be utterly ruined. Yes, Steven, let's talk to him, because he's so beautiful. He should have an answer. Those Pokemon fighting, Groudon and Kyogre, the two super ancient Pokemon were awakened from a long sleep, and now they're smashing each other with uncontrollable energy. Adds, you being here now I'll take to mean that you're prepared to become involved in this crisis. Yes, I'm here to save the world, Steven. Well then, there's someone that I'd like you to meet. Come with me, please. Let's go, Steven. I'm gonna follow you anywhere. You wanna go in the closet and we can just, real quick, sort things out? Exchange Pokeballs? That's a good one. Listen, Ads. Does seeing Groudon and Kyogre make you think Pokemon are to be feared? But that's not true. Pokemon are really more. Why am I asking you this? You already know. Are we gonna have sex or not, Steven? That's what I... He is leading me to a cave, isn't he? He's asking the old creepy man to look after. Okay, here we are. Inside here you'll find someone named Waras. I think you have what's needed to help him. Okay, I didn't think about having a freeway right now. But alright, I'll take whatever I can get. Ooh, there's a lot of rubies and sapphires here. Oh, so you're Ads. I've heard tales of your exploits. My name is Waras. I was once the gym leader of Pseudopolis, but something came up. So now I'm trusted my mentor, Juan, with a James operation. Groudon and Kyogre, the two Pokemon wreaking havoc, here are considered to be super ancient Pokemon. But there aren't just two super ancient Pokemon. There is one more somewhere. Somewhere there is a super ancient Pokemon named Rayquaza. It's said that it was Rayquaza that became the two combatants in the distant past. Shades are not starting to get gay, they always were. But even I have no clue as to Rayquaza's whereabouts. Ads, do you perhaps know where Rayquaza is now? If you do, please tell me. I think he's in the Sky Peter, would make sense. The Sky Peter, that's it. It must be the Sky Peter. Ads, there's not a moment to lose. We'll head to the Sky Peter right away. How will we do? We will head there, and you went all fucking alone, didn't you? I didn't know you could fight Pokemon in here. Sableye. Looks big. That's what she said. Don't know where we should go right now. I'm gonna follow my guts. Wait, kiss me goodbye, Steven. The Sky Pillar. I've never been there. I wonder where it could be. I'll find it for us too. Then we can go and kiss on top of it. Look at them going at it. CD is deep here. Oh, yeah. Okay. To the so. Okay, where do I merge? I don't think I should go to the left. To the left is towards Grove. Don't know why the frame drops right now. 10 minutes. 10 minutes to find Rayquaza. Do you think we can make it? I'm confident we should be able to do a job. If we are allowed to move more than 5 meters. To the left, to the left. Well, we can surface here. Yeah, we fucking can. Fucking moron. But it's not helpful to do so, I guess. Let me look at my Pokénav. I guess we should go there and then we can... But what is right in front of me right now? Should I risk it? I will. I'm throwing my whole heart into this. Check out the sculpted body of Morkid than a black belt. That's cocky. Love this can start you. Go cows and deal. Yeah, it's lagging at the moment. I don't know why. Well, I would assume because my laptop is powering a 15 screen that I'm using as stream monitor. I would think that's why. Of course it didn't connect. I don't think we're gonna get to find Rayquaza today, because clearly I should not have tried fighting these two idiots. You had more heart. Still strong, not bad at all. Yep, you're not bad at all. I'd like to get to know you more. Okay, you have Grinder for that. Dude. Crowdn't use dive. It is lagging. Where am I gonna... But I can't because my bag is too full. I'm not gonna even bother trying to make space for this one because I'm just a blue sword. Crowdn't use dive. All tentacles and their mothers are gonna try to fight us. It is raining. It would be simpler if I just went to most deep and served down. Two steps. Literally 2 steps. Should have bought repels. Come the fuck on. Somebody do a montage of me being pissed at random encounters. See, that's what you get for not cheating. That's why you should always cheat in life, kids. Don't tell anyone I said that. Thanks. And just dive so we don't have to fight anything. Emerge at the very end. Okay, high, like 3 meters. I don't have time to fight you. I'm just trying to find the sky pillar. Well, at least I'm trying. Doesn't mean I'm succeeding. It's my fault. I should have bought repels. That's it. Nobody else's, just mine. I'm the one to be blamed for world hunger and the war in Iraq. So I'll oh my fucking god. Oh my god, I even dropped here. This is a Pokemon game. I'm not changing my opinion on this, just that how much far up I have to go before I can go back down? Ah, run. That's the first time I'm gonna like try to evade trainers. And I've arrived at Evergrande. Can't even go there because I need a Chempo waterfall for that. Not at all where we should be right now. This is a frustration stream. Genius. Next to Evergrande, you have level 5 Pokemon. What? It's one of the most difficult victory roads. How can they have level 5 Pokemon? No! Oof! I was scared. Okay, let's check our map again and just see if we can just power down there. Go Chaos! It's raining, raining. Met whatever, let's see. To 130. Okay, should go to the left. say, hey, let's go, let's get on with it. Freaking redneck. And you have two Pokemon. At least it says feel. And it's lagging. I'm frustrated, I'm angry, and this game is lagging. Perfect mix. Yeah, Leaf Blade. Yeah, let's wrap up. I know it's already been 1 hour, let's say 1 hour and 5 minutes. Should be the route though. I recognize the water. Tentacool, the Rattata of the sea. Straight ahead. You're in the middle of a triathlon, so you shouldn't have time to stop for me. I'm inconsequential. Redhead Allison. Sorry, I'm not speaking much because I'm fed up of this exploration right now. I still love the game to death. Just that I'm kinda annoyed that it's not being served on a platter. I'm such a millennial. Don't worry, I'm the last one. Wingles, the Pidgeotto of the sea. I don't get it why they made Pokemon that are not useful, but you're not actually use. Like Wingull, nobody's gonna get Wingull, right? Or at least get one to use. What's the point? I think we're onto something, guys. Let's hope. No, we are not. Quite the opposite, we're stuck. Shit, they're not synchronized. I was scared. It's not trainer, it's gonna be random encounters are gonna piss me off. It must be fun to watch someone being pissed on stream. Just being angry. What's my personality? Being angry. Always. Aha! The people of Pacific Log are a peaceful bunch. When they're angry, that goes for me too. You don't, I do. I'm gonna shoot a motherfucker right now. Thanks, fuck, you only got one Pokemon. It's a level 34 Sphere. So that works. Cars grew to level 42. At least something good can come from this useless exploration. Hiya ads, it's Benjamin. Catching any Pokemon lately? A little while ago. I'm saving the world right now, Ben. Can you give me a minute? to make sure that you're not frying. I don't know why people get to call you during this moment. Don't they feel the rain and the scorching sun? Literally saving your fucking life right now. I think we're there. Yes, we are. Oh, Wallace is already here. Could have given me a hand. Oh my, I'm terribly sorry. In my haste, I didn't notice that I left you behind. I've opened that locked door of the sky pillar. Let's be on our way. It's an earthquake. A moment to waste. We've got to hurry. Shook. The situation is getting worse. This isn't good. The weather distortion is spreading even here. Records that should be further up from here. I'm worried about through the police. I've got to go back. Everything is in your hands now. Don't fail us. Yeah. Always let the kids save the world. Works all the time. Golbat. The rats of the caves, yes. We're close to being done, guys. Very close. For today, I mean. And even the whole game-ish. Oh, I fell and I can't get up. Oh my fucking god, how much more? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Say bye-bye, level 33, but I'm not gonna waste my time on. So this stream is more like 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's not that far. Ban it. Finally the top. Oh my god, look at this beauty. It's like a green penis. Beautiful. The Awaken records I flew off. And on this note, we're gonna see what the Awaken records that does in the next episode. Thanks for sticking till the end. Sorry it was a bit longer and I was very pissy today because, oh my god, nothing was going how it should have. But stay safe and I'll see you when I see you. Okay? Yo.